I just opened up my new vacuum and I just wanted to show you the different parts. So this right here is the stand and holder and charger. Here is the vacuum itself, and it came really nicely wrapped. It's completely covered. This is going to be the LED screen. Here is the water tank reservoir. There's the handle, a cleaner, the charger cord, an extra mop roller. So I'm going to go ahead and put it all together and see how it works. So the vacuum came with some really easy to follow instructions on how to put it together. There's information about all the different LED lights and what they mean. There was a booklet for the vacuum instructions and also for the app instructions. So you'll be able to easily figure out how to use both components of the vacuum. So you can see there's that LED screen. I have it up and running in just about a few minutes. It is now charging in the charging station, and it has these really cool lights that are flashing as it's charging. You can see that it's in the docking station. It's ready to go. So here is the app that goes with the vacuum. All you need to do is just download the app. There's a QR code there, and then you would connect to your device. You log on and find the vacuum that you have. So I chose my vacuum, and then I turned on the vacuum so that it was in Bluetooth mode and it was pairing with the app. So the app and the vacuum paired really quickly together. Then all I needed to do was just connect the Wi-Fi, enter the password, and the vacuum was ready to go. You can see here on the app that the vacuum is charging. It says when it's on, when it's charging. You can go down below and choose the different suction power for the vacuum. You can check the battery life. You can change which mode you'd like it to be in. You can also right away set it to self-clean, which I did right here, and that will clean out the vacuum, completely disinfecting it and making it really sanitary and ready to use in your house. Again, this app is super useful. It will tell you all the information you need to know about how long the battery has been charging, how long you use the vacuum for, and all the stats that you need to make sure that your vacuum is working well and your house is staying clean. So while the vacuum is charging, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the different features that it has. So this is a vacuum, wash, and mop vacuum. So it's going to not only vacuum your floor, but also wash it and mop it up. So it has smart sensor technology, so it can tell if there's a wet or dry mess. So if you spill milk, for example, versus cereal, like dry cereal, it can tell what it is, and it's gonna do whatever feature it needs to really clean everything up really well. It also has a super long run time. It'll run for 45 minutes of use on a full charge battery, and that's enough time to clean a 2,000 square foot area. So you can use this in commercial settings if you need to, or if you just have a really large house. It also does multi-surface cleaning, so it's gonna be great on my hardwood floors here, but also it would work on vinyl or laminate, just pretty much any kind of floor. It also has this part in the back is the water tank where it's gonna have the clean water, but then the dirty water is going to go in the tank down here. So it's completely separate. You're never gonna be washing your floor with dirty water, which is a much more sanitary way to clean. And speaking of sanitary, it also has a UV mode, so you can disinfect the vacuum after you're done. And that is just amazing. Make sure that you really feel good about how clean your house is and how clean your floors are. There also is the app that I was just showing you, and the app provides real-time performance and monitoring. It also has this nice LED display, so you can see exactly what's going on with your vacuum and make sure that you get everything as clean as possible. So the vacuum works fantastically. It goes right under tables, it swivels, it dries the floor as it vacuums and mops. It is amazing. And you can see here the bottom part just pops right off. All the dirty water is in there that it vacuumed up, and the filter collects any kind of debris that might have been on your floor as well. So it's vacuuming, it's washing your floor, it's doing everything, and it was so easy to set up and so easy to use. I am obsessed with this vacuum. I would definitely recommend it.